In this video, I will be talking about event resources. Now, with event resources, you have associated event resource types, event resources, event resource package groups, event resource packages, and also event charge. All right, let's start here. So in an event resource type, we have AV equipment as a event resource type. All right, so anything that has to do with AV equipment, audio video equipment, will be associated with this AV equipment resource type. So as you can see here, we have multiple properties that have utilized AV equipment. We have different types of event resources. We have audio kit, AV package, sound system, wireless mic, etc., etc. This is the description here, and this is the inventory of the item. So this you have 10 audio kits available at properties CEN000. The type would be simply, is it equipment? Is it a banqueting type, or is it staff type? Now, we have this associated with equipment type. And check availability, what that will let you do is every time you add a audio kit to an event, it will check, okay, well, I have 10, I've booked out 10 already, and it's not available. Or if you have booked out 9 and you just need 1, then you can do that. Event charge. Event charge, the reason it's blank here is because event charge, I recommend we leave blank, as you should associate that as one-to-one. And I'll show you why it makes more sense if you leave it a one-to-one relationship with the event resource, as you're able to manipulate the pricing and the multiple days of each event resource. And let me show you that now. All right, event resources. So basically, I'm going to go in and create a new event resource to show you a little on how to create an event resource and also how to associate that with an event charge correctly. So let's create a projector. And the description, I'm going to say it's a 1080p high the event resource type, 1080p projector is actually audio video equipment, so I'm going to associate that there. I'm going to create a new event charge for a projector. The reason I'm doing that is in the low season, I may give away my 1080p projector to a conference booking for maybe $10, $15. In the high season, I may charge $150. If you create a one-to-one relationship with an event resource and an event charge, you will be able to manipulate the different prices for this projector itself. Revenue posting. So let's go in and choose a revenue posting for this. Let me go through this. All right, I'm just going to associate this to conference room charge, as I have conference room charge associated with many of my conference room events, food and beverage menus, and event resources. However, the property can have multiple revenue posting centers that you can post different items to. Quantity. I'm going to just, for example's sake, I'm going to have 10. You can have different serving groups. Currently, I am not utilizing serving groups for event resources. However, you can have a serving group, for example, named audio video equipment. Associate the 1080p projector to the audio video equipment serving group, and what that will do is that'll trigger the different tasks once this is added to a booking. Zones. You can utilize zones. We don't have any utilization for zones at the moment. However, you have the capability of utilizing a projector. You may have outdoor, indoor. You could associate this to indoor only, and this will not show up for any outdoor events. if you have an outdoor event zone to zone outside, for example. That's what you can utilize that for. So now I've created a new event charge for this projector. All right. So as you can see here, projector has a new event charge. Currently, we are not utilizing estimated unit cost or post inventory adjustment there. All right. Notes. You can associate different types of notes with the event resource, and I will show you that in a later video. So let me show you an event charge that is labeled projector, and you'll see why I created a one-to-one relationship. So we have a projector here. All right. And we are on property 004. The unit of measure is going to be each. All right. So from November 1st to November 30th, I'm going to charge. Okay, there we go. I'm going to charge $25 for a projector. That I can associate with different dates. Let's just say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Sunday. All right, now let's associate. Let's go through the process again. I'm going to select the same dates. This time, I'm going to charge $50 on Friday and Saturday for this projector. Let's save it. So what this basically allows you to do, that is why I create a one-to-one relationship with event charge and an event resource, as you're able to manipulate the different prices for the projector for different dates. And as you can see, this is very flexible on the dates, the price, the range. That's why I recommend you create a one-to-one relationship there. Let's look at event resource package groups. Event resource package groups. Now, you can create an event resource package. Package may be a wireless mic, a speaker, and a projector, a screen. That could be a conference meeting package. So the group, now you please utilize unique naming measures. So AV is probably not the greatest naming convention, so I'm going to go ahead and change this to AV package group. Reason I did that is because every time I see AV, you're able to see AV in multiple spots. So, but if I see AV package group, I know to associate that with a package group. The descriptor, this is just AV equipment. And now when we create event resource packages, we associate the event resource packages to the event resource package groups, and then when we come to event resource package groups, you can see all the different type of packages associated with AV. So let's show you an event resource package. Now, as you can tell, this property is TVP and this property is CN010. So you do not see an event resource package here, as we're on property CEN004. So let's go ahead and create one. Let's call it a meeting package. And package. Let's call it large meetings, as I'm going to try to associate a speaker and a microphone. select our property. You can have different package group here, so we're going to associate this with the AV package. A zoning I've talked about in this video. You can do that there. You must save it. And once you save it, you can add event resources. So let's add, well, I don't have that. I don't have a speaker. No problem. So let's add TV. We don't have a speaker, but we have a sound system. So let's add sound system. Let's add a HDMI cable. And let's add that projector. All right. So now we have all these items, all these event resources, and meeting package. Now when we go back to AV package group, we have meeting package that shows up here. And that is the flow of event resources.